Good morning. Welcome to the last lesson this week on money and our last maths lesson of the week. Today we will be comparing quantities of money. To begin with, on our left we have some notes and some coins. I would like you to match them up with the equal value from the boxes on the right. Pause the video now and see if you can do it yourself. Okay, let's have a look at it together. First we have a £10 note. Now, if we have a look down the side, we can see already that we've got £10 and some £1 here. So we can see that there is more than £10, so it can't be this box. Let's have a look at the next one. Here we have two £5 notes. So let's count in fives. 5, 10. So we do have £10 in this box. So now we know that two £5 notes is the same as one £10 note. Let's have a look at the next box. We have a £2 coin. Now again, straight away we can see that there's £10 and more in this box, so we've got to have more than £2, so it's not going to be more, it's not going to be this box. Let's have a look at the next available box. Here we have two £1 coins, which we know is £2. So two £1 coins is equal to one £2 coin. Let's have a look at the next one. We've got a £10 note and a £5 note. 10 add 5 is 15, so we're looking for £15. Let's go back up to this top one. We've got a £10 note and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 £1 coins. So let's count on from 10 to see how much we have altogether. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we do have 15. Great job. Okay, we only have one option for our last one, but let's check it anyway. We have £2 coins and there are 3 of them, so let's count in twos 3 times. 2, 4, 6. So we have £6 in this box. Now on this side we have £5 and £1. 1 more than 5 is 6, so these two are both worth the same. Claude says that he has £1 in his purse. Sir Bobblysock says he has 100 pence. Who is correct? Explain your answer. So pause the video now and explain to someone who you think is correct and why. Okay, let's work it out together. We can see that Claude has 10 pence coins in his purse and he has 10 of them. Let's count in tens 10 times to see how much money he has in total. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 pence. So Sir Bobblysock is right in the fact that Claude has 100 pence. However, would we ever say that we have 100 pence? No, we wouldn't. You're right. We know that 100 pence is £1. So Claude is right when he says that he has £1 in his purse. Okay, we're going to be looking at comparing quantities of money using our less than, equal to and greater than symbols. Now remember that the smaller part of the symbol points towards the smaller number and the bigger part of the symbol points towards the larger number. For example, 1 is less than 5. We've got the smaller part pointing towards the 1, which is the smaller number, and the bigger part pointing towards the 5, which is the larger number. 20 is greater than 10, and 50 is equal to 50. Okay, let's have a look how much money we've got in our first box. We've got 1 10 and 2 1 pennies. So 10, 11, 12. 12 pence. Let's write that there so that we can see it. 1 10 and 2 1 pences. 12 pence. Let's have a look how much we have in our other box. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, because we have 1 10 pence and 3 1 pences, so we have 13 pence. So 1 10 and 3 1 pennies. Okay, so is 12 less than, equal to, or greater than 13 pence? Less than, equal to, or greater than? Well, we know that 12 is 1 less than 13. So 12 is less than 13. And I'm drawing my symbol so that the smaller part is pointing towards the smaller number. Let's have a look at our next one. Here we have a 20 pence and 2 1 pences. So let's put 20 in our heads. 20, 21, 22. So we have 22 pence. Let's write it so that we can remember how much we've got. 22 pence. Let's see how much we have in our other box. We have a 50 pence coin and a 5 pence coin. 50 add 5 is 55. So we have 55 pence. Okay, let's have a look at our symbols. Is 22 less than, equal to, or greater than 55 pence? That's right, 22 is less than 55, so we need to draw our less than symbol, with the smaller parts pointing towards the smaller number. Let's have a look at our next one. It looks like we have a 50 pence again, and a 1 pence. 50 and 1 makes 51. So let's write that here so that we can remember. 51 pence. Let's have a look how much we have in our next box. We have a 20 and a 10. So if we count on 10 from 20, we've got 20, 30. We have 30 pence. 30p. Okay, is 51 less than, equal to, or greater than 30? That's right, 51 is greater than 30. So we need to draw our symbol with the bigger part of the symbol chomping on the bigger number. Let's have a look at the next one. Here we can see that we have a £5 note. We know it's a £5 note because it is that bluey green colour. It says £5 on it in both numerals and in writing. So I'm going to write £5 anyway, just to make it really clear to myself. £5. Okay, let's have a look how much I have in my next box. Now I can see I have 5 coins, and the coins that I have are all the same. They're all £1 coins. So I have £1, £2, £3, £4, £5. So I also have £5 in this box. So is £5 less than, equal to, or greater than £5? That's right, £5 is the same as £5. A £5 note is worth the same as 5 £1 coins.